Yo, hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to upload an image to Copilot. Now, you could literally use images now in Copilot or files or add attachments to your chat. These images could be used for editing, as an inspiration, and other things. It depends, for analyze or basically anything. So, for some people, for you guys specifically because you are coming to this video, it might be hard for you to upload an image and you don't know how to do it. Well, today's video I'm going to show you exactly. Simple, easy, just follow these steps. As you can see here, uploading an image into Copilot for editing. It doesn't matter if it is for editing or not, it's simply upload an image. So how do we do it? So you simply have to press on open icon, the plus button here, and then select add images or files. Use the file picker to navigate to and select the image you want to upload on your device. Once uploaded, the image will appear as an attachment in your chat session. It is as simple as that. You could also just drag and drop, literally something like so. For example, I have this file, I can just drag it and drop it, and yeah, that's also a solution that you could try as well. So there is two methods of you uploading an image or add an image to your Copilot chat. So once you do that, it's gonna look as an attachment in your chat. I mean, of course, you need to write a prompt following it, since the AI will not know what's to do with it. He simply sends an image, so you need to write down like prompts that explains what you want it to do. For example, analyze this data, help me detect what is in this picture. I don't know, a lot of things that you could do with it. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.